So hello, I'm a first year mathematics honors student. In this video, I will share my opinion about math. I have one strong opinion on math. You know, everyone says that math is fundamental. Math is defining everything. For example, one can say that biology is what? So, at fundamental, biology is nothing but molecular chemical reactions. I can be wrong here, but because I'm not very well aware about that, but how much I know is that biology at its fundamental is basically chemical reactions, right? And then the question is, what is chemical? Like subject of biology at fundamental is chemistry. Now, chemistry at its fundamental level, what? So chemistry at its fundamental following the laws of physics. Chemistry is behaving in a way how physics is guiding that. Okay, now here we can say that chemistry fundamental level is at fundamental level guided by physics. Biology at fundamental level guided by chemistry, molecular chemistry. So then that implies biology is also at fundamental level by physics. Now, physics at fundamental level is guided by the logic and rules of mathematics. Now, one will say that, hey, see, at core mathematics is of all subject. Okay, I will say okay, yes, at its core. But then someone should also ask, the question that mathematics at its fundamental level what? Because everyone is saying mathematics is true, always true. Never it is, never it will tell you lie. Mathematics is language of universe. People say this, right? Mathematics is at fundamental level what? Mathematics at its fundamental level is the axioms and the set of rules which mathematicians has defined, and the axioms on which uh, they played the game of mathematics. So like one of mathematician, I don't know, I don't remembering his name, but one mathematician has even proved that, like see, there is one story that mathematicians was wants something concrete to prove mathematics is true, but since mathematics is relying on the axioms, means assumptions that it must be true without saying that it is true, definitions, okay, these kind of things. So one mathematician proved that, like he written 52 pages of proof, and in that proof he proved that some truth cannot be able to prove. He proved this thing that some proof is not provable, and because of that these definitions are not provable, we are assuming it is true. Now the you are connecting main idea why mathematics is the language of universe, because from our eye what we see we defined, and based on that rule which we feel that it is not never going to be changed, we say that this is our definition, and this is our axiom, and on that, by guided logic principle, we constructed the language called mathematics. Okay, now the question is, okay, how then mathematics is that much accurate? So why we say that thing is true, like why we feel intuitively that these two things must be true, 1 plus 1 should be true. Why? Because our brain also evolved in this universe. Universe is following the physics, following the law, which we don't know, but we our brain developed in that law itself. So one person who never studied mathematics, he can also say and judge intuitively that okay, 1 plus 1, 1 foot plus 1 foot is 2, and he has that geometric spatial awareness. When he was going to hunt, he can uh, map out how fast he has to run, how much distance he has to cover. So these are pre-built in the mind itself, and based on that mind, which is pre-built pre-programmed DNA, that's why those definitions are making sense to us. And that's why, because our definitions is derived itself from the universe, that's why those definitions never work against the mathematics when we try to prove something. And because of that, we say that okay, mathematics is concrete. But here is the thing, that if our definitions would be wrong, what if, then whole mathematics is wrong. Okay, so since our axiom is not proved, we cannot say mathematics is true. Yeah, we believe that it's true, but it's not proved. Our axiom is not proved. Okay, I hope you like my opinion sharing, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it like and subscribe to my channel. Also give a good comment, and I will upload more such contents if you guys will engage on this. And I know I'm amateur in this, so please don't mind if I make some mistake in my English and all. Just ignore that. Okay, bye.